Hi guys, so this is the Oculus Quest. As you can see, just added a battery pack, 15,000 milliamp, and just a flow cable for the USB charger. So obviously this is not going to go back into the box, there's no space for it, so I needed a case, and luckily so I found this case online that does the that does it. So I'm not sure if this is meant to be for the Oculus One, probably more suited for it, but the good thing is it allows the second one, the Quest 2, to go in. So just open up. It comes luckily with the screen lens protector, bag obviously if you want to carry it around. This is probably, I think, a replacement for maybe for this, or maybe for the Quest itself. So all you need to do is just put it in, just like so. So it fits in quite snugly. Just need to basically remove the charger, put it in the back, and this so that it doesn't do anything else. And then, as you can see, for the remote, there is space for the remote in. So you just need to put it like that. That fits in. And this can be folded like that. This goes in the charger, and I've got my my headset that I can put at the back. And a cloth, just in case, to clean the screen. Now you can just, if you wanted to, just hook it up, and you can put the screen protector, the lens protector. Could have put it there before, but yeah, as you can see, it's not disturbing the charger on the side, and yeah, and it sits perfectly fine. I'm just going to put these back in. There's pockets as well in there. All the way at the back, and ta-da! And it's good to go.